Let's go towards the vlog. My name is Ali Tahir and you are watching my YouTube channel Ali King Motivation. Assalamu alaikum brother, how are you?
Fine, boss.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines. Where from Philippines? Manila, Laguna, Mindanao, Visayas, Luzon.
Bulacan.
Okay.
Here in Manila.
Philippines is island, na?
Island. Country like a country like that.
Okay.
Philippines,
And-
land of crazy people.
Manila is your capital?
No, yeah, Manila.
Okay. But what is full form of Manila? Metro Manila?
Yeah, Metro Manila.
Okay. How much time you spend here in UAE?
UAE. I stay here almost 8 years now.
Ah, before 8 years ago you came here.
I came here.
What do you do?
Now I work for a florist.
Tourist?
Florist flower shop.
Flower shop, mashallah. Flower and chocolate shop.
No, before with the chocolates, but now I changed my work.
Okay. When first time you came here? In visit visa or employment?
Visit visa.
Visit visa. What's your name?
John.
John.
Sometimes Justin.
Okay, tell me what is the reason? Because every Filipino have boyfriend, girlfriend. You have also?
Boyfriend, girlfriend. I have boyfriend more.
Because many customers came here, so I ask from them.
Girlfriend,
So-
no. Girlfriend haram, not good girlfriend.
Mashallah, mashallah. Good, very good.
I'm straight person.
Mashallah.
Just only 5 girlfriend.
Ah.
5 girlfriend and 2 wife.
Before you said girlfriend, haram. Now you said 5 girlfriends.
Yeah, haram. I have wife already and I have baby already.
Sure?
Yeah.
Are you married?
Yeah.
When will you go back in Philippines?
No need.
Why?
Yeah, better stay here. We need money.
Yes, your family is here.
No, I'm just alone here.
Your family is here.
No, I'm just alone here. My family is there in Philippines.
तो दोस्तों आप देख रहे हैं मेरा YouTube चैनल। चलिए आइए थोड़ा सा आपको बाहर का व्यू दिखाते हैं। इस टाइम मैं एक सिग्नल के पास हूँ, तो सिग्नल तकरीबन अभी 60 सेकंड बाकी हैं सिग्नल के। 60 सेकंड के बाद सिग्नल दोबारा ओपन होगा, तो फिर मैं आप लोगों को बाहर का व्यू दिखाऊंगा। लास्ट टाइम व्हेन यू वेंट इन फिलिपीन?
Before last December, I go there.
लास्ट दिसंबर, आई थिंक अप्रोक्सीमेटली 7 to 8 months
Yeah,
ago.
like that.
Okay.
Philippines too much problem now for Corona. Now I cannot go Philippines.
Have problem
Yeah.
in your country now?
I cannot go now because for the Corona, the flight all cancelled.
Yes, brother.
Corona too much.
Allah will protect us, inshallah. Because you know, Corona is making too much problem for every country.
Yeah. Not only
Every
in
country
Philippines, not
economy-
only here in UAE,
Every country economy has destroyed, you know.
Yeah. But you know, Corona is good. You know why? China, they will make it everything not good, huh?
Who said China made?
Who? All people tell China made. Who will make this one?
But this virus came first time in China.
Oh, but then who will do that in China?
But now China spread this virus to everywhere.
Yeah.
How much population of your country, Philippines?
I don't know. I don't know about the population. I don't
And-
know about the history of Philippines.
How much people live here in UAE from Philippines?
Because now UAE is same. If you go to Dubai, go to there are this is same you go Philippines, same in Manila.
You know, in the UAE, 2 to 4% Filipino persons here. Just 10% local
Local, yeah.
have
90%
UAE nationality.
90% of UAE,
20
UAE people
29%
from other
Indian
country.
here. And after 10 to 12% Pakistani, 8 to 9% Bangladeshi, and after mixed nationalities.
Yeah.
But largest quantity of Indian persons here, 29%.
Wala.
Huge.
You're probably right.
I am from Pakistan.
Pakistan.
You listen about Pakistan or no?
Yeah.
Have Pakistani people?
I have more friends Pakistan.
MashaAllah. You have more friends Pakistani.
I have
How's Pakistani?
Pakistani.
Sure, good.
Sometimes crazy. Say Filipino, all people like that. Sometimes good, sometimes crazy, more crazy.
Yes, right. You know
Mostly people here all crazy.
you know bad people and good people are everywhere.
Yeah. Now all people bad. If you are not bad, you don't have friends.
Where you live?
In Ajman.
You live in Ajman. Okay.
My work is there in Midday.
You go for outing in Dubai, Abu Dhabi.
No.
Why?
I don't have time, and then I don't need to go there. I will spend more money.
You saw Burj Khalifa or no?
Huh?
You saw Burj Khalifa or no?
No.
Why?
You know, I stay here in almost 8 years. I cannot go around to make it a mini. No, not have time.
You know Burj Khalifa is the biggest building, largest building.
So hard. I will go there. Someone give me money if I go inside. No, I give money for the people that to come inside.
I think you will buy ticket of 200 or 250
Yeah, to
dirhams.
go
Then you
inside
can
the
go
place.
inside of Burj Khalifa, right?
200 for 1 week food. Enough for 1 week food. Then you spend for only 1 day.
Ajman like a village, right?
Yeah.
But Dubai like a huge city.
Yeah.
Dubai is not big, but is famous for the largest buildings. Too much largest buildings in the Dubai.
Famous, but they need more money to be there.
Yes. How's the street view?
Even to work
How's the street view in Ajman?
here in Ajman.
You enjoy or no?
Sorry?
You enjoy or no? Street
Yeah,
view.
here in Ajman is better.
Have license?
No.
You want to apply?
No need.
But why? Driving is safely in UAE.
How much money for license? See? Maybe 8,000, 9,000, 10,000.
Lazim, because
See?
I paid 9,000 plus dirhams. In
9,000.
Pakistani rupees, I think
You know how
now
much now,
4
Sanay?
lakh plus.
How much 9,000 in Philippines? It's more than 100,000 in Philippines. If I have 9,000, I will send to my wife.
Yes.
See?
Your wife will do shopping.
Maybe they will bring something for my baby.
How much babies?
I have one baby.
One baby, mashallah. What is the name of your baby?
Jean.
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 Brother, what is the reason? Because every Filipino girl have straight hairs and boys also. Shining straight.
Yeah. Mostly of
It's natural or artificial?
Natural. Asian country like that. You see.
I thought maybe they use shampoo
No.
or... Okay. It's natural mean.
Yeah.
Your destination is very near. I think 1 minute.
Yeah.
Now tell me, where you want to go? Just straight or
Just
take right?
This side.
In this line?
Left side. Because they have signal. After
Yes.
the bridge, they have signal.
Okay.
And then turn left.
Okay, first signal left.
Yeah.
तो दोस्तों ये थी मेरी एक फिलिपीनी लड़के के साथ जो मैं गुफ्तगू कर रहा था, आप लोगों ने सुनी। तो अगर आप लोगों को मेरा चैनल अच्छा लगा तो इसको लाइक करें, शेयर करें और इसको सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें, ताकि इसके अलावा बेल आइकन पे भी क्लिक कर दें ताकि हर नई अपलोड होने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आप लोगों को मिल सके। तो अपना ढेर सारा ख्याल रखिएगा, मुझे भी दुआ में याद रखिएगा। अब इस मंजिल के करीब पहुंच चुके हैं हम भाई की, जहाँ पे इनको ड्रॉप करना है। जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि मैं एक टैक्सी ड्राइवर हूँ UAE में, और मैं क्या करता हूँ, कस्टमर को पिक एंड ड्रॉप करता हूँ। तो इसको मैंने भाई को पिक किया और इसको लेके जा रहा हूँ इसकी मंजिल पे। चलो जहाँ पे इसको मैंने ड्रॉप करना है उसकी भी मैं आपको वीडियो दिखा दूँगा। बाहर का व्यू थोड़ा आपको दिखाता हूँ। दिस सिग्नल लेफ्ट,
Signal left.
ओके।
Billboard was there.
UAE के रोड्स पे गाड़ी चलाने का एक मज़ा है कि यहाँ पे आप बिल्कुल सेफ ड्राइविंग करते हैं। जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे ड्राइविंग कर रहे हैं सारे के सारे तकरीबन सीख कर चलाते हैं। और इसके अलावा यहाँ पर एक चीज़ मुझे अच्छी लगी कि सारे लोग एक दूसरे के साथ कोऑपरेट करते हैं। एक सबसे जो अच्छी बात मैं आपको बताता चलूँ UAE की, वो सबसे अच्छी बात ये कि अगर आप किसी भी कंट्री से हैं, मीन्स कि आप पाकिस्तान से हैं, आप इंडिया से हैं, श्रीलंका से हैं, बांग्लादेश से हैं, आपको अगर हिंदी नहीं आती, बहुत से लोग हैं जिनको हिंदी उर्दू नहीं आती, अगर आप किसी के साथ बात करेंगे तो आप यही समझेंगे कि वो आपका अपना है बिल्कुल। कभी भी वो आपको ये शो नहीं करेगा कि आप गलत बोल रहे हैं, वो सपोर्ट करेगा आपकी। और इसी तरीके से अगर आप इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, अगर आप अरबी बोलते हैं, अरबी में किसी से बात करते हैं, तो वो क्या करेंगे, आपको सपोर्ट करेंगे। अगर आप गलत भी बोलेंगे, आमतौर पर क्या होता है, अगर आप एक फिक्रा भी बोलते हैं ना, एक सेंटेंस भी बोलते हैं, उसमें से कुछ
You said the two things. I think he said. You
want to take?
No. I have. I think it's only you.
अच्छा, अगर आप गलत भी बोलते हैं ना, तो वो क्या करेंगे कि आपको सपोर्ट करेंगे। तो ये चीज बहुत अच्छी, लोग एक दूसरे के साथ कोऑपरेट करते हैं, टांगे खींचने की नहीं करते।
This side, this side, only that side.
ये भाई की डेस्टिनेशन भी आ गई। अब हम इसको जस्ट हियर, हम इस भाई को यहाँ पे अब ड्रॉप करेंगे। Okay, brother.
Work there.
ओके ब्रदर, थैंक यू सो मच, नाइस टू मीट यू, मे अल्लाह ब्लेस यू।
Okay, thank you.
Bye,
One
thank
line
you,
tamapi discount. Thank you.
थैंक यू भाई।
Your total fare is 21.50 dirhams.
ओके, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ हाजिर होंगे इंशाल्लाह। अल्लाह हाफिज़।